Renting your property quickly is critical to maximizing your investment. Every day your property sits vacant, you're losing money. Today, we're going to share some proven tips from Kansas City's top property managers on how to rent your property faster. Whether you're managing a single rental or several, these strategies will help you attract the right tenants and fill vacancies quickly. The first tip is to price your rental correctly. One of the biggest mistakes landlords make is overpricing their property. You might think that higher rent will lead to higher profits, but if your property sits vacant for too long, you're losing more in the long run. Do your research and find out what similar properties in your area are renting for. Make sure you're competitively priced, but don't undercut yourself too much either. Strike the right balance between affordability and maximizing your return. Offering a fair market price will get your property noticed faster and increase your chances of securing a tenant quickly. The second tip is to optimize your property's online presence. Today, almost all renters start their search online, so your property's listing needs to stand out. High-quality photos are a must. Make sure the property is clean and well lit in the pictures. Highlight key features like updated kitchens, modern appliances, spacious layouts, and any unique features like outdoor space or energy-efficient upgrades. Consider including a video walkthrough to give potential tenants a more immersive experience. The more they can visualize themselves living in the space, the more likely they are to schedule a viewing. Well-written descriptions are equally important. Focus on the property's benefits and its location, especially if it's close to schools, parks, or public transportation. Next, let's talk about curb appeal. First impressions matter, and the exterior of your property is the first thing potential tenants will see. Make sure the lawn is mowed, any bushes or trees are trimmed, and the entryway is clean and inviting. A fresh coat of paint or some simple landscaping can go a long way in making your property stand out. If your property looks well maintained from the outside, tenants will assume the inside is just as good. Another tip is to be responsive. When potential tenants reach out with questions or requests for showings, respond as quickly as possible. The faster you can schedule a viewing or provide information, the more likely they are to stay interested. If you delay, they may find another property in the meantime. Good communication shows you're a responsible landlord, which makes tenants feel more comfortable renting from you. Flexibility is another key factor. Offering flexible showing times can make a huge difference. Potential tenants may have busy schedules, so being available for evening or weekend showings can set you apart from other landlords. Additionally, consider offering flexible lease terms. Short-term leases or month-to-month options might appeal to some renters, especially younger professionals or people who are new to the area. By accommodating their needs, you increase your chances of getting the property rented quickly. Now, let's discuss property upgrades. If your property has been on the market for a while without much interest, it might be time to consider some updates. Tenants today are looking for modern, clean spaces. Simple upgrades like new flooring, fresh paint, updated lighting fixtures, or energy-efficient appliances can make a big difference. You don't need to spend a fortune. Focus on upgrades that offer the best return on investment. A well-maintained, updated property will rent faster and for a higher price. Tenant screening is another crucial aspect of renting your property quickly. You want to fill vacancies fast, but you also want quality tenants who will pay rent on time and take care of your property. A thorough screening process ensures that you're getting reliable tenants. It's better to spend a little extra time finding the right tenant than to deal with the headaches of an eviction or property damage down the road. Another strategy to rent your property faster is offering move-in incentives. Offering 1 month of free rent, discounted security deposits, or a free professional cleaning before move-in can make your property more attractive. Tenants are always looking for a good deal, and these small incentives can give you an edge over competing listings. Finally, consider working with a property management company if managing everything on your own feels overwhelming. At Alpine Property Management Kansas City, we specialize in getting properties rented fast. We handle everything from marketing and tenant screening to maintenance and rent collection. Our team knows the Kansas City market inside and out, and we use that knowledge to help you fill vacancies quickly while ensuring you're getting quality tenants. Now, switching gears for a moment, if you're thinking about selling a property, Alpine Property Management Kansas City also buys houses. Whether your property is occupied, in need of repairs, or ready to go, we offer a simple, hassle-free process. You won't have to deal with listing your property or waiting for buyers. We'll make you a fair offer, and you can walk away with cash in hand. If you're ready to sell, reach out to us and let's talk. To sum it up, renting your property faster is all about being proactive. Price it right, market it well, keep it maintained, and be responsive to potential tenants. If you follow these strategies, you'll reduce vacancy times and increase your rental income. And if you need help, Alpine Property Management. Kansas City is here to make the process seamless. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on property management and real estate investing. Thanks for watching.